Hi, this is Mr. Capper. In this video, I'm going to show you how to model the green ring. A lot of you guys say it's not a ring, it's square. Well, whatever you would call it. It's green, it's rectangular, and it has a rectangular hole in it. So, like always, you're going to go File, New, Part. You're going to start with a 2D sketch on whichever plane you want. You're then going to start with a rectangle. I would zoom out a little bit and using your center scroll wheel. And then pull it out till it's about 3 by 3. Close enough. So just something close to 3 by 3. Then you're going to make another rectangle. Just make sure it fits in here and it's close. Boom. Next, you're going to properly dimension this using a common reference point, which I'm going to use this left edge for all the width. So from here to here should be 0.75, enter. From here to here should be 2.25. And then all the way across from this left edge over should be 3. I'm then going to use the common reference point again, this base here, to measure all of my heights. So I'm going to dimension from here to here, 0.75, enter. From that base again, all the way up to the top of that inner cube, 2.25. And then lastly, I need to get the overall height correct, which should be 3. Notice if you mess up any dimensions like I've shown you before, just hit escape and you can double click to change. But we don't need to. I did a great job. Hit finish. Zoom out using your center scroll wheel. You can also pan if you hold in the center scroll wheel and move your mouse. Use the extrude button. Select what you want to extrude. This is one of those cases where it can't guess because there's 2 different shapes. So select this outer shape, extrude it by 0.75, hit enter. Like all of the other parts, we're going to color it in using this color wheel deal. I'm going to highlight the whole dang thing. I'm going to pick out some kind of green. I think it might be a little darker than that, but you get the point. Check for OK. And then, just like the other parts, you then want to do a new sketch on the surface. Go to text. I'm going to put my initials, you put your initials. Highlight it to change the size. 0.5 will fit. We'll find out. Hit OK. And then if you hit escape, you can click and drag your initials. Hit finish sketch. Extrude your initials by zooming in and clicking on them. 0.02 is more than enough. Hit enter, enter. And then use your scroll wheel, color wheel deal thing again. And you're going to want to just choose a surface here and make it black. And then hold down shift. Boom. So I did this in a different order than I did coloring the other ones. Make sure you save this and save this as practice. Oops, I spelled practice wrong. Practice part number 3. All right, I hope this video helped. Let me know if you have any additional questions.